dear students, welcome back in our today's mathematics class. Student, today in this video we are doing our last exercise of chapter 10, that is 10.5, right? And introduction about this exercise, again we'll have to draw the triangle. One angle, two sides are given to you, all three sides are given to you. So whatever condition is being given to you, you have to draw the triangle, right? Start the exercise question. Question number 1 we have, construct the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means one angle will be of 90 degree, right? Where angle Q is equals to 90 degree, QR is 8 centimeter and PQ is 10 centimeter. Two length, one angle. Right student? So first of all you have to draw the baseline. So QR I am going to take as a baseline QR 8 centimeter, right? And at Q angle is 90 degree. So student, everyone know how to draw the 90 degree angle, right? This is 90 degree angle. Now PR is 10 centimeter. Student, PR means somewhere here P point is there, and how much distance of P from R is 10 centimeter. So you open the compass 10 centimeter and make an arc here, right? Because I told you जब भी हमें एक point चाहिए, P point we want, so two arcs should be cut. One arc, one line of Q1 and one arc of from point R. So the cut point will get point P. So this point P you will join with R. So this is a required triangle PQR, right angle triangle. Right student? Very simple, no? The same type of question we have done in previous exercise. So every time the questions are same only. Now question number 2. Construct a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 6 centimeter long and one of its leg is 4 centimeter long. Now you will say, ma'am, angle to nahi given, दो sides given है, hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse, ये length आपको given है 6 centimeter. So obvious this will be the base, 4 centimeter base, and जो भी आप point लोगे AB, from point A you will draw 90 degree angle because it is mentioned that it is a right angle triangle. Right student? So everything you have to keep in mind while solving the question. So same type of question, but here name is not mentioned to you, A, B, C or P, Q, R, and angle is not given to where you have to make. Point you have to take by your own. But the question is just same only. Right student? So this question you will do by your own, although I have discussed everything. So very simple, no? So this was about question number 1 and 2. Coming to our next question. Coming to our question number 3 student. Construct an isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles means two sides should be same and one angle is 90 degree. Right student? और ये angle कहाँ बनेगा? This angle always be forming between the two length. It means अगर one length where ACB is 90 degree means this will be point C where 90 degree angle will make because it's a right angle triangle. Isosceles है AC is 6 centimeter. So this point will be A. AC is 6 centimeter. So which another side you will take 6 centimeter? Obvious angle के साथ वाला because two side के बीच में ही angle बनता है, right? So it means C, this B here will be that also be 6 centimeter. Got student? Every time and this point you will join with A. So this is a required right angle triangle ACB. Student? So every time you have to draw first of all rough figure, then there will be no chance of error. Right student? So same thing you have to draw with the compass. So let's start. First of all, line segment AC you have made 6 centimeter. Right angle triangle ACB is 90 degree. So C point is 90 degree. Right student? Next, you have to take a point B. Point B कहाँ से लोगे? Obvious है from C. From C you will open the compass 6 centimeter and make an arc. So this cut point will be point B and this you will join with A. So this is a required isosceles right angle triangle ACB. Right student? Very simple now. So every time same questions, again and again I'm saying you, first of all you have to draw the rough figure, then you have to make a same figure with the help of compass. Right? So this was about question number 3. Now coming to our next questions. Student, in your book, in the exercise 10.5, we have some miscellaneous question. Right? So let's start. Below are given measures. Means you have 6-7 question on the basis of triangle. Means you have to construct a triangle. Right? Identify those which cannot be constructed and say why you cannot construct them. It means some of the measurement is not possible to construct the triangle. And why it is not possible, that reason you have to tell. Right, student? And construct rest of the triangle. It means among the given measurements, few are there from which we can't make the triangle. Okay, and we have to identify them, and rest you have to draw like we have drawn till exercise 10.4. Right, student? Few questions I am doing over here. A first question, triangle ABC. Right, you have to construct a triangle ABC. Angle A is 85 degree, right? Angle B is 115 degree, and AB is 5 centimeter. It means 2 angle and 1 side. Right, student? When you will take baseline AB, from A 85 degree angle you will make, and from B 115. Is it possible, student? See, 85 and 115. 85 degree and 115 degree. 10, 9, 10, 200. It means the sum of these two angles only 200 degree. So is it possible? क्योंकि triangle sum की property क्या होती है? Sum of all three angle is 180 degree. But यहाँ पे तो दो ही angle का sum 200 degree है. So is it possible? No. So what reason you will write? It is not possible only to make the triangle ABC with these measurement because the sum of these two angles is 200 degree, which is not possible. As per the triangle sum property, the sum of all three angles of the triangle is 180 degree only. So therefore this triangle is not possible. Right, student? Coming to our second part, triangle PQR is equals to angle Q 30, 60 and QR is 47 degree. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. How? 60 plus 30, 90 degree. It means the दूसरा होगा that will be 90 degree only. So it is right angle triangle. So it is possible. And how to make? Everyone knows how to make, student. You will make first of all baseline from point Q, QR baseline, from point Q 30 degree, from point R 60 degree. Where both the line meets, that point will be point P. Right? Now next, so this you can make. Now next, triangle ABC, angle A is 70, B is 50, AC is 3 centimeter, 2 angle, 1 length. So AC is given to you, student. So these type of question we have done. How? So you will take a baseline AB, AC, 3 centimeter, right? From A, you will make an angle 70 degree with the help of protractor. So 70 somewhere here. ये होगा आपका 70. From C, you don't know which angle and length is also not given to you. But you know, student, angle C आप कैसे निकालोगे? With the help of these two angles. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Right? So you will take out 70 plus 50 plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. So angle C will be 180 minus 120 degree. So angle C will be 0, 8 minus 2, 6. So 60 degree is angle C. So from angle C you will make 60 degree angle. So where these two line cuts, that point will be B. So A is 70, it will be 60. So AB is right, student? Type of triangle we have made. अगर आपको दो एंगल गिवन है, both angle you know, so easily you can make. But if you don't know adjacent one angle, then how you will find out? With the help of triangle sum property. Because out of three angles, two angles you are knowing. Right, student? On the basis of these type of questions only, you have some more questions. 3 I have solved over here. 3 more are there that you can try by your own. If it is possible. So 3 you can try by your own. Right, student? Questions are very simple. So, student, with these miscellaneous questions, we have completed our exercise 10.5. And student, this chapter is very important because same topic you will be using in your grade 8th as well. So, prepare it very nicely. If you till then, thanks so much for watching. Complete your work. Bye, students, and take care.